In this video, I'm going to tell you how to record the sale of a stamp. So let's take this stamp right here, Scott number 18 from the United States, and I'll double click to edit. Now on the additional information tab, you'll see a section here for selling the stamp. So let's say I sold it today. So let's do, I don't know, just make up a name, Robert, and put in the selling price. Make it 50.00. Now when I hit OK, you'll notice that the stamp is no longer here, and that is because when you sell a stamp, it's moved to the sold items folder. Obviously when you sell something, you don't have it anymore, so it's not going to be in your inventory. So when I click on sold items, you'll now see the stamp here, and if I click on it, I can see the selling information, Robert Lebowski, profit percentage, etc. Now we're going to be doing a report just for sold stamps. We should have that out in the next free update for StampManage 2023. But so right now, this folder, any stamp in here is not, you don't own it anymore, so it's not going to show up in any reports of stamps you own. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.